How to install the Skyglass on your Fire TV stick. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Rose and I will guide you to install Skyglass on your Fire TV stick. Without further ado, let's begin. First, go to Firestick home screen. Navigate to Find menu and select the search. Type Internet Browser and select it from the list. Click on Internet icon, then tap Download to install it. Once installed, open the browser and accept the terms. Bing.com will open by default. Go to the URL bar and type maxport do1 and then tap on Go button. Once the Mac 4.1 interface loads, find the Sky channel in the third column. Click on it to start streaming Skyglass for free. And that's it. You have successfully installed Skyglass on your Fire TV stick. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.